Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a brand new model from Sea Ray Boats, the Sea Ray 230 SDX. We have it equipped in the full black hull color, paired with a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We also have the black sports tower with bimini shade, and then also to power the boat we have a black Mercury 250 Verado. Great horsepower on this boat. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the Sea Ray 230 SDX, I'd like to show you a few more key features. Here at the transom, we do have the dune sea deck throughout to match our dune interior in the boat. Over here on our port side, we have our battery access along with some extra storage. Have some USB ports to be able to plug up some phones or anything else you want to keep charged. Fusion stereo control, so you don't have to leave the back of the boat while you're hanging out to control the radio. Some cup holders and a nice sun pad area. We do have our ski tow pylon right here, so you can have the kids tow them on the tube or pull them on some skis or anything like that. We do have a dedicated cooler storage right here as we enter in through the transom, and a nice transom door that locks in place that you're able to also put in place and keep locked here as well. Great storage on this 230 SDX. Underneath here, large deep storage along with bilge access, and then we do have cooler storage on either side. Both headrests on either side will go backwards and forwards, so you can have an aft or forward facing seat. Got some more cup holders on the port side, along with a wireless phone charger and some more USB ports. Here at the helm, we do have a flip up bolster, along with the port side lounger has one as well, so you're able to get up and see if you need to elevate yourself a little bit to see over the windshield. Got our Linco trim tabs here and twin Simrad screens. Great to have visibility of your engine data and also your charts. We got airplane switching here for our accent lights along with courtesy lights and our docking lights. Got our upgraded Mercury binnacle with electric throttle and shift with that Mercury 250 Verado, and also comes with active trim. As we move forward, on the port side we have our head system for our Fusion stereo, along with some storage here as well. On the starboard side, we have a small head area with a small berth to be able to put kids down for a nap or just get them out of the sun if need be. Locks into place and stows away nicely while underway. As we move into the bow area, we do have our flip over windshield that we're able to cut off the bow from our transom as well. Nice deep seating up here. I am 6'4" for reference, so plenty of space to be able to sit here, lounge, enjoy this boat. A nice area to be able to put a table insert here as well, so if you want to enjoy some beverages or a nice sandwich out on the water, you can. Have a nice anchor storage as well, along with a boarding ladder, so if you wanted to nose up to the beach and have an easy way to get back on the boat, you definitely can do so on this 230 SDX. If you'd like to learn more about this model or any of the others that we carry, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, always check us out on MarineMax.com. I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.